Hello my lovelies, it's your girl here at Open Beauty One. Today I am sharing with you at Pop Beauty Permanent Pout lipsticks. I have opted for the Coral Crush, and Rouge Red. Two beautiful shades, great for an evening out or if you have a special occasion. Super creamy and pigmented, and the color payoff is really good. I love these lipsticks. They retail for $8 in the US and about £6 in the UK. So try and get your hands on it if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.